This is Dr. David Shine, and welcome to Business Law 101.
In a case that's received a lot of attention here in Texas, the state placed a concertina wire fence along part of the border with Mexico in the Eagle Pass area to deter illegal crossings. The United States Border Patrol agents, on the other hand, cut the wire multiple times, claiming it was necessary to fulfill their duty of patrolling the border to prevent illegal entry. Texas sued for an injunction, arguing that the Border Patrol was needlessly cutting the wire. The district court found that the Border Patrol was not hampered by the wire and had breached it numerous times without apparent purpose other than to allow migrants easier entrance. However, the court denied the injunction, citing the United States sovereign immunity versus Texas claims. A motion panel of the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit disagreed and granted a temporary injunction pending appeal. The U.S. sought relief in the Supreme Court, which vacated the injunction. The case was remanded to the district court to investigate the events. Next, the United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit ruled that Texas is entitled to a preliminary injunction. The court held that the United States waived sovereign immunity relative to Texas state claims under the Administrative Procedures Act. The court also rejected the United States argument that the injunction was barred by intergovernmental immunity and the Immigration and Nationality Act. The court found that Texas satisfied the injunction factors from the case of Winter versus Natural Resources Defense Council. Accordingly, the court reversed the district court judgment and granted Texas's request for that preliminary injunction with modifications based on the district court's supplemental fact findings. The reference Winter case provides a test for whether a preliminary injunction is appropriate. It is based on whether the court believes that the plaintiff is likely to succeed on the merits, among other factors. So the temporary injunction in this case is a good sign for Texas moving forward.
This is Dr. David D. Shine for Business Law 101. If you've enjoyed this episode, please subscribe on your favorite platform.